In this video we're going to complete example 1 and we're going to solve these questions without the use of a calculator. So we'll start with the first one, which says 6 squared. In case you've forgotten, 6 squared is the same as writing 6 to the power of 2. So this is really just 6 times 6 or 36. Alright, now moving on to question B. This means the square root of 49. So what we need to do is we need to think, okay, what two numbers that are the same when multiplied together equal 49? And the two numbers are 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. Therefore, the square root of 49 must be 7. Now moving on to question C. This time we're finding a cubed root. This means we need three numbers that are the same, that when multiplied together equal 27. And I reckon that's 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and if I times 3 again, I'll get 27. So this one must equal 3. Now question D, which is asking you to find the square root of 16, meaning the radical sign with the 16 underneath it. So we need to think to ourselves, what two numbers, when multiplied together, equal 16 such that the two numbers are the same? And I'd say that's a 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So the square root of 16 must equal 4. Now we're on to 4 cubed, which is the same as 4 to the power of 3, meaning it's 4 times 4 times 4. And when we multiply these, you only do 2 at a time. So we'll go, alright, what's 4 times 4? That's going to be 16. And then we do 16 times 4, which equals 64. Last of all, the cubed root of 125. If I wrote it with a radical, I would write it such that there's a little 3 next to the radical. So this means we need three numbers the same, so that when you multiply them together, they equal 125. Now I reckon it's going to be 5. I reckon it's 5 times 5 times 5. And I'm just going to do a little bit of working out here on the left. If I did 5 times 5 times 5, I only multiply 2 at a time. So 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 equals 125. That's good, that's what I was looking for. Therefore, the cubed root of 125 must be 5. That concludes our video on example 1. Remember to read the description below for links to worksheets related to this video.